Hi everyone, my name is Blake Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to use CoCalc's built-in library for popular open access textbooks, as well as some supplemental materials like NBGrader Examples. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com. I'm going to head over to my projects, and here I can select the project that I'd like to work inside of or create a new one. I'll go ahead and click on my project. And here's my shared file system. If I'd like to add a collaborator to have access, I can head over to my user panel and add their email address, and then they'll have access to the shared workspace with me. And here you can see various folders. In fact, I have this folder called Library. I'll click on that. And you can see that the folder is currently empty. And if I would like to add some supplemental materials, or maybe I want to access one of those open access textbooks, I can head to the Library button in the upper right-hand corner, click on that. And then you can search through any of the content that you'd like to create a copy of. I'll go ahead and select NBGrader Examples and click Get a Free Copy. So now inside of the library folder, there's another folder called NBGrader Demo. And inside of that, I have some example notebooks, a .py file, some data, and some images. And just to give a quick little example, maybe I want to use Intro to NumPy. And here's the notebook example. And the other thing that I'd maybe want to quickly point out is if you would like to make a Jupyter notebook into an NBGrader assignment, you'll head to the View portion of the menu, you'll scroll down to Cell Toolbar, and then you can click on Create Assignment using NBGrader, and this makes a very slight change to the UI so you can designate the cell type. But that's just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.